Under the American Rescue Plan Act, marketplace enrollment soared. It increased about 21% with millions of new enrollees. And this was largely due to the expanded and increased availability of those premium tax credits. However, those premium tax credits were set to expire in 2022, and it seemed that their fate had been decided. However, it seems that their fate has been reversed. Well, more or less. Hi there, as always, my name is Sarah, and I'm here with iHealthBrokers. Now, if you have any questions whatsoever about your marketplace enrollment or health insurance in general, you can reach us in the comments where we will be more than happy to answer your questions. And you can always give us a call at iHealthBrokers at 888-410-0344. There is no charge for our service, and we are licensed health insurance brokers. We are licensed nationwide, and like I said before, we are more than happy to help answer your questions. Now, this is pretty big and breaking news in the world of health insurance, and it's something that we've been following for quite some time and providing regular updates. However, things do change in the world of health insurance, so make sure that you subscribe. That way you stay up to date, because we do release these videos on a weekly basis. And if you find any value in this video, I do hope that you will click the like button. Liking this video will make it more visible to others, and we definitely want to get this information out there, so please click that thumbs up. Under the American Rescue Plan Act, eligibility for premium tax credits was expanded, and the size of those premium tax credits drastically increased. However, like I said earlier, those expanded and increased premium tax credits were set to expire at the end of 2022. However, the Inflation Reduction Act has actually extended those premium tax credits through the end of 2025. Now, this will give those who utilize marketplace plans some much needed and desired breathing room, and it's likely that this decision will be revisited in the next few years before that deadline of 2025. If and when you decide to enroll in a marketplace plan, you may be eligible for a premium tax credit. This is just a tax credit that's paid up front, which is reflected in a lowered or discounted monthly premium. And your eligibility for this premium tax credit, and of course the size of this premium tax credit, is determined by your income and your household size. Now, in the past, there was a hard line drawn for those that made more than 400% of the FPL, which is the federal poverty level. So a single person who made more than $51,520 would not qualify for any type of premium tax credit. This was known as the Subsidy Cliff. The Subsidy Cliff was basically a term used to describe those who were right on the precipice of eligibility and fell off by making too much money. So if you were right on the cusp and you made just $100 more per year, you could suddenly find yourself ineligible for those much needed premium tax credits. So you might have a larger monthly premium or face a pretty hefty bill come tax time. Under the American Rescue Plan Act, and now under the Inflation Reduction Act, this is no longer the case. They're basically getting rid of that subsidy cliff. Instead, you will still be eligible for a premium tax credit even if you're a higher earner. It'll just be more proportional to your income. Additionally, the size of these premium tax credits drastically increased. Under the American Rescue Plan Act, and now under the Inflation Reduction Act, many people were eligible for plans that were under $10 a month. So now that these expanded and increased premium tax credits have been extended through 2025, you can expect that your monthly premium will largely remain unchanged. If this hadn't gone into effect, then the average American would be looking at an average increase of about 53%. Additionally, now that the public health emergency is set to end in October, many of those who'd been able to keep Medicaid will no longer be able to do so. Therefore, they will likely look towards marketplace plans to replace their Medicaid coverage. So these increased and expanded premium tax credits will help to financially bridge that gap. For states that use healthcare.gov, open enrollment is from November 1st to January 15th. However, if your state uses their individual state marketplace, then enrollment dates can be slightly different. If you're not certain whether you use healthcare.gov or your state's individual marketplace, you can log on to healthcare.gov and it will of course redirect you. But regardless of whether you use healthcare.gov or not, please do not wait until the last minute. You don't want to put off making such a very important financial and health decision until there's very little time to consider all of your options. So what are your thoughts on this turn of events? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, if you have questions, please feel free to send us a message in the comments or give us a call at 888-410-0344. And of course, you can find us at iHealthBrokers not only here on YouTube, but on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter at iHealthBrokers. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time. Bye.